All right, so let's talk about virtual offices. Can you get away with having virtual offices for setting up a Google business listing in specific cities, right? Is that a good strategy? I would proceed with caution. It could be effective if you do it right. The one thing that I would probably try to avoid is using the very well-known virtual office spaces like Regis. Google is on to those companies. But what you could do is you can find, virtual office spaces that are not as well-known and set up an office there. Make sure that you can put signage up on your door. Make sure that you can actually put signage up in the lobby, right? If there's a listing of all of the businesses there, that's going to help keeping your office from getting suspended. And I would also encourage you to make sure that wherever your office is, right, making sure that there's no other people that do exactly what you do in that space, right? So if you have 4 personal injury lawyers that all share the same virtual office suite, and, one is, suite A and another one is suite B and another one is suite C, I think you're probably wasting your time and investment. So I'd make sure that you are the only person that does what you do in that office space as well. So again, you have to be really careful about this. I just don't want people going out thinking they can set up 15 virtual offices and dominate Google. That's not always the case. Proceed with caution. If you'd like help with that, please be sure to DM me and we can set you up with one of our local team specialists that can kind of advise you on, the proper ways of doing this.